The BLACK+DECKER BDT50WTB Dehumidifier impressively covers up to 4,500 square feet, making it ideal for large spaces and basements. It effectively removes up to 50 pints of moisture per day, ensuring a comfortable and refined air quality in your home. Featuring an environmentally friendly design, this dehumidifier uses R410A refrigerant and includes a washable mesh filter. Safety is a priority with its 14.3 pint bucket, water level indicator, and an audible alert system for when the bucket is full. The smart technology integrated into this device includes a top-mounted electronic control panel, adjustable humidistat, and LED digital display. For added convenience, the dehumidifier is equipped with 4 casters, allowing easy transport across different rooms.